Hi, I'm Tess, and today I'm going to show you how to make some of the easiest and best tasting baked salmon. Dinner will be ready in less than 30 minutes. Stay tuned. This baked salmon recipe is quick, easy, and only requires a few ingredients. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links to where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. I'm making the seasoned oil for on top of the salmon. I'm starting with some good extra virgin olive oil. If you wanted, you could use half extra virgin olive oil and melted butter for some extra flavor. Adding in some fresh lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt, white pepper, and you can use black pepper, minced garlic, and parsley. If you happen to have fresh parsley, that is even better. Giving that a good whisk. My oven is preheating to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I have about 1.5 pounds of salmon fillet that I cut into 2 to 3 inch wide pieces. I lined a baking pan with foil and lightly brushed with oil. Placed in my salmon pieces, and now I'm spooning and brushing on the seasoned oil. I'm dividing all the seasoning among the salmon and making sure that they are all coated. One more thing before we pop the salmon in the oven. I'm placing a slice of lemon on top of each piece. This is going to add lots of flavor and a brightness to the salmon. Baking at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Removing from the oven and letting it rest for 5 minutes before serving. Serving tonight with some smashed garlic butter parsley potatoes and a side of lima beans. This baked salmon is so rich and good. The meat is flaky and you can really taste the parsley, garlic, and lemon. The lemon gives the salmon a pop of flavor, and I'm also adding a slice of fresh lemon on the side. Since the salmon is rich in taste, it does go a long way and will serve a lot of people. If by chance you do have some leftover salmon, please check out my video recipe for a salmon salad sandwich. I hope you give this quick, easy, and delicious baked salmon a try, and enjoy. If you like this easy baked salmon recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!